Guys, can you say that with me? We are the royalties. I hope you are all doing well. My name is Carla Gonçalves and I will be your host for every royalty episode. We all will have to learn new skills every week. So are you ready to play with me? Let's go! We are going to start with an amazing activity by our young friend Bernice. Over to you, Bernice.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kids Royalty. Do you want to organize your stuff like pen, pencils, rubbers, sharpener and many more? Well then, you are at the right place. So kids, today we're going to make a wall hanging organizer. And kids, do you know something interesting about this? This wall hanging organizer is been made out of things that can be reused. So, who are we waiting for? Let's get into the video. So for this wall hanging organizer, you need 2 paper plates of same size, white craft glue, you can also use stick glue if you prefer, stapler, scissor, pencil, googly eyes, some pink color paper. You can also use red if you want. Lastly, you need this ribbon. You can also use some sort of cord, any kind of string or unused shoelaces. So that's it. But most importantly, please make sure you take someone's help. For example, adults or your parents, because safety is very important. We're going to use one of the paper plates. Draw a line in between, like I'm doing now. Then you need to draw ears. Now, take the scissors and cut it all around. Then you need to take the second plate and join this together. Take the stapler and staple it. So now is the time to decorate this. We're going to take the googly eyes, put some glue, spread it all around, and place it. Then we're going to take the second googly eye and place it there. Now let's keep this to dry. And let's take this pink paper, fold it in half like this, and then cut a semicircle. And cut this in half again. Use this, bring this back again here. Use this glue cut 2 strips of same size. Make sure they're not too big, not too small. Put some glue. Stick it like this. Take the other one. And stick this at the other side. Now take this ribbon make sure this is not too big or not too small. At the back, roll this at the back. Staple that. This at the back. Staple. There you go. The wall hanging organizer is ready. Now you can put anything you want to put inside. Hope you guys had fun as much as I did. Thank you.
Wow, that was real fun. Did you enjoy it? I did. Okay, now we are going to listen to Levan. He will be telling us stories. Don't go to sleep, friends. The story will take us to fantasy world. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Howdy, companions! I am going to disclose to you an intriguing story which is identified with riches out of waste. I had a companion called John. John's mother used to prepare delectable and sound foods as salads, vegetables, and organic product smoothies. However, John was not keen on eating those sorts of nourishments. John loved garbage and road nourishments like burgers, fries, colas, etc. By eating these sorts of nourishments, John got large. Companions, do you realize that one day John was given a subject to look about riches out of waste? So John began to investigate. As he was exploring at the realities, it says, lousy nourishment prompts heftiness. John was stunned as he looked down. He began to know more realities. John recalled that he had tossed a pizza box and Coca-Cola can into an inappropriate canister. By tossing the waste things, he had contaminated a portion of the world's common assets, obliterating untamed life like sea animals and land creatures. Plastic contamination can cause poisonous synthetic compounds that spread through fresh water, causing dirtied water that can get through our taps. It propelled John to turn into a sound eater by eating new foods grown from the ground and to practice day by day. That is the manner which John turned into an eco-accommodating kid and acknowledged how he was hurting God's creation.
Thanks, Levan. It was a really interesting story. Now I want to do some more activities. Do you want to do as well? Yes, I'm sure you want to do. Come, let's go. Do it, royalties.
Oh, hi guys. My name is Levan. I was just wondering, what should we do about this box? It's lying alone from a long time in my bedroom. I was just thinking, should we try something out of it? Yes, we should. You might be wondering how I did this. I used glue, scissors, and some of this wrapping paper. If you don't have wrapping paper, you can use any other colored paper or chart paper. You have to just wrap the paper around the box and glue it. I use my sister's help to do it. So make sure to take an adult's help when you're doing it. You might be wondering why I have 2 tissue papers. I have 2 tissue papers to show you how to make this flower to decorate your box. You can use this flower to decorate anything. Example like this box really, or you can put it in a vase. So to make it, you need 2 tissue papers as I showed you before. You'll need to put them together like this. You need to fold them half. And then other half. And then you need to cut them in a triangle shape. Again, which my sister will do because I'm not allowed to use the scissors.
Voyage, palmera.
So after cutting it, it will look kind of like this. So after doing this, you'll have to open it again. And then you'll have to fold it like this. Like a bow, like this. It will look like a bow after you tie it with a wire. If you don't have a wire, you can use any other thing to join these 2 ends together. So you have to tie it together to make it like a bow. After you are done tying the flower, we need to open the top petals so that it looks like a flower. So it should look like this. I already done some different color flowers which look like this. This I have to put inside of our box so that it looks a bit more nice. I've took some cotton and filled it in this box so that the flowers get some fluff. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. So after you almost fill the box half, like this, you can put it in your flowers so that they get a bit more fluff. I covered the box with wrapping paper, blue wrapping paper, and for decorations I put a flower on it and some present paper. If you don't have a present paper, you can use your own ideas to make any decorations for the box. So guys, the final result looks like this.
Now it's time to say goodbye, royalties. We will meet next week on Friday on the same channel. So please subscribe to our channel and let's have fun together. Bye, royalties!